My name is Professor Ehi Eric Esoimeme. I'm professor at James Hope Business School, teaching business law and ethics. From the business law and ethics, you see that we have what we call the advanced, learning. Just we talked about the formative type of assessment. It's really, you rarely see that implemented in a lot of universities. And the formative assessment in business law and ethics, when the first class that we give the formative. And the formative allows for students to actually know exactly what to expect. It's almost like the real life test that you're giving. Is like a real life exam, but you're not grading it, factoring the grades into the grade book, but you're going to assess it. You're going to give them some form of tentative marks, and each particular student have the chance to have one-on-one sessions with you, for as long as they want, so that they can understand actually what the factors are. And there's so much provided, a lot of materials on the LMS. You go to the LMS for every single week. There are so many comprehensive materials provided to guide the students and in terms of understanding the topic. When you look at how the curriculums have been designed for business law and ethics, which I teach, you see that we give real-life case studies, what can help the students apply it to their everyday life, like not just going to the contract law and the law of torts. We go to experience it with looking at the different advanced modus operandus and the case studies that we utilize, so that people are actually in tune to the realities that are going on. For example, you see that what is going on with artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, robotic process automation, how that relates to law and your business. It is what, so aside from going into the traditional modules, we now advance it to the next level, so that when you're able to practicalize it, you are actually well up to date in speed. So the curriculums are well structured in a way that allows for students to constantly evolve and innovate and update their knowledge and be aware of the emerging trends in business law and ethics and the current trends as it relates to the topics that people are actually doing. James Hope University is the best place that you can think of in terms of learning. The level of innovation, the curriculum is not just the basic that we see, that is in the theory based, where you actually learn so much and you probably can't apply it in your everyday work. You see, there's so much focus on getting the right jobs, evolving beyond where you are actually right now. So James Hope University goes beyond just the theoretical approach. It goes to the practical approach, where students actually are taught about, what the emerging trends are, what the current trends are, and what the practical aspect of for business law is. It goes beyond just having a certificate. It goes beyond just having a degree. You're actually going to have that particular knowledge where you can apply it, and you get that particular wisdom to be able to utilize it in your everyday business, utilize it also in your personal growth, to be able to get much more information. It's really beyond just the theoretical aspect. You will definitely get value for your money. You'll definitely be able to network. You'll definitely be able to meet the right people and really make the necessary impact in the society. So it's really, really the best place to be at. And we hope that you actually join us.